Okay, we're doing a demonstration on how to make coffee in the Linkyo coffee pot. We have ground some fresh ground coffee grounds, and you dump them in. After you dump the coffee grounds in, you get the boiling water. Let it set for a minute. Then you get the lid. And you put it on top. And you let it set so it makes coffee. After 4 minutes, you push down slowly. And that gets all the coffee grounds to the very bottom. And now you have fresh brewed coffee. So now you have fresh brewed coffee. Oh, it's perfect. Look at that. Okay, Rhonda, how is the coffee? Perfect?